Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and today I'm installing a new push button switch from Apiele. This is a stainless steel and aluminum composite switch. Unlike some of those plastic rocker switches that you may get 1,000 uses out of, this one is up to 20 amp rated, and they'll even do custom engraving for you. They made this custom engraved to match my light bar on my Bronco. I think this will be a nice touch. Make sure to check out the link I have for the Apiele switches in the description below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to smash on that subscribe button for more videos. All right, let's get right into it.
First, disconnect the negative from your battery. Next, I'm taking apart my dash to access my relay wiring. I already have my relay wiring ran and light bar installed. I'm simply replacing the crappy rocker switch to the premium Apiele 25mm push button switch. I could have avoided drilling out the old cigarette lighter hole by measuring the opening with a micrometer before ordering, but I don't plan on reinstalling the cigarette lighter. After test fitting the switch, run your relay wiring if you haven't already. Next, add connectors to the switch. There are two ways you can wire the switch. One is to have the light always on, or to only have the light on when the switch is active. The second option is how I wired mine up. After making the connections, test your switch. I ended up popping the 15 amp fuse in my relay and had to up to a 20 amp fuse to power my 6 off-road lights. I'm very happy with my Apiele switch and can't recommend them enough. It gives my Bronco a clean look that matches the interior. The Apiele switch is IP67 waterproof rating with a 20 amp rating and 2 million mechanical cycle rating, 100,000 hour LED light rating, and 3-year warranty. Check out Apiele.com to find the switch that fits your needs and reach out if you want to have a custom switch engraved.